Hi, I'm Debbie Dudley, co-owner of Southern Axe House, here on Florida's Adventure Coast. Here at Southern Axe House, we offer axe throwing, beer and wine. We have 2 food trucks on the property. We're also open Friday and Saturday nights. Sunday afternoons is more like a family day. Games outside. If you don't want to throw axes, the ages are 12 and up. If you don't want to throw them and some of your family does want to throw them, some of the people can go out back and have food, have some drinks, have soft drinks, hot chocolate, apple cider. We have old-time family games on our tables that you can play. It's just a great outdoor venue for families to come to. When we started our escape rooms, we started out at Christmas time, so we had the Trickster Elf, which lasted for 2 months and everybody enjoyed it. We changed our themes to the holidays, and now we are actually on Mystery Room 103 for Halloween, which will be there for 2 months. So sometime in the middle of December, we will change it back to a Christmas theme. It's never the same theme and it's never the same clues. Southern Axe House, you can rent our venue. You could either rent the whole building or half the building. We have an indoor, we can hold 90 people for baby showers, corporate events, team building, weddings, anything that comes to your mind. We also have an outdoor venue that can fit 140 people as well. It is covered. We have music, we have TVs, we have indoor video games, we have a pool table. It's just a beautiful facility, so come out and see us. If you'd like some more information, just follow us on social media. You can also follow our website here at Southern Axe House.